0.5 divided by 0. The result is undefined. Let me explain. This is the divisional statement. 0.5 divided by 0. This is dividend, this is divisor. Here we have to find quotient. We can express division in terms of multiplication. That is, for this divisional statement we have a multiplicational statement. That is, this 0 means divisor times quotient, divisor times quotient equal to dividend. Now think, what multiplied by 0 gives you 0.5? Let's say 1. 1 times 0, that gives you 0, right? So 0 is not 0.5. Let's say 2. 2 times 0, again 0. But 0 is not 0.5. So we are not getting any answer. That is why we say 0.5 divided by 0 is undefined. There is no answer.